add a React report viewer to your application in 60 seconds. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can easily add a React report viewer to your application using Vite and ActiveReportsJS. To begin, we'll need to add references for the ActiveReportsJS library. To do this, we'll be using npm to add the library to the application. In the terminal, run the command npm install /activereportsjs-react at latest. We'll create a report template, which we can use to load into the designer at runtime. In the public folder, create a new file called report.rdlxjson. We'll add some JSON, which will be used as the template for the report that will be loaded into the viewer. Now, we're going to import the viewer, as well as the React package in the app.jsx file. Next, we'll add the required markup to use the report viewer. Inside the app function, we'll return some HTML. First, we'll set up a div, which we'll use to serve as a container for the viewer, which we'll call viewer host. Then, inside of that, we'll use the viewer import to define the report viewer in markup. We'll also pass the report that we created in the previous step to the report viewer to load when the application is run. Lastly, we're going to need to make sure that everything is properly styled. First, we'll import the two required CSS files for the viewer. The first is for the core UI, and the second is specifically for the viewer. Then, we'll add some additional CSS to style the container of the viewer. Now, when we run the application, we'll be able to see the report viewer as well as the report that we created. And that's all that it takes to implement a report viewer in React using ActiveReportsJS and Vite. Download a free trial today at developer.meshiest.com.